Mallory Great Barrier Reef is an exquisite 5-bedroom home located in Port Douglas. Every room does open up to the wonderful environment we have here. With our wet edge pool overlooking the golf course, daybeds scattered around the entire property, spacious rooms. Mallory is a home away from home for our guests, and that does involve children of all ages. We get such a variety of guests from all over the globe, from international to domestic, and basically what we do here is tailor-make holidays to create the experience. So everything is tailor-made right from the word go. It basically comes down to, if we can think about it, we can pretty much make any dream come true. We're able to offer a package that literally is out of the ballpark with what our clientele expect. With your private chef here to look after you on every level during the day, and your butler, cocktail barman, in-house housekeeping, our guests don't need to lift a finger. It really is the ultimate time to sit back and relax and be waited on hand and foot. Gourmet breakfast is included. Our chefs are very well trained. The level of food at Mallory is absolutely exquisite. The rainforest is absolutely spectacular. It's one of the most stunning environments in the world. It's just tranquil beauty that takes you away to another place. Every single guest feedback we have has literally stated they've never received service like this around the world, and that's what separates from the rest. We offer in-house spa treatments, we offer in-house massages, or just general personal fitness. Port Douglas is certainly worth coming across the world for. It is the closest county to the Great Barrier Reef. It's the best way to get there, and the experiences that you can have up here, even with our marlin fishing seasons, you really can't beat it. It's something special, well worth seeing.